Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay monthly with Klarna. This is going to be a super easy tutorial, you'll just need to follow the steps. So when you go to Klarna and choose the item you want to purchase, you will have the option to choose to how many months you want to spread the cost. So you can basically choose the amount of months you prefer. Most likely, it's going to offer you the 3 months option. Sometimes you won't have any other option, so you will basically need to accept that one and go from there. So this is how you can finance your purchase with Klarna. So the first thing you can do is selecting the financing option in the store's checkout, and then you will need to choose your preferred timeline and interest rate, and after that you can follow the steps to complete the application. They might ask you to confirm some details about you, so basically you will need to provide these details and then get an instant approval decision if you are eligible. So once you are eligible, you will simply need to complete the purchase, and you will basically be paying monthly. So the money is going to be taken automatically from your card, and there will not be anything else you need to do. Super easy.